It's done. It's all back together, and it's about to go on to the motor at last. My God. Anyway, it's looking very good. This is not the way to judge it, but if you get the bottom of that wheel running. Alright, hang on a minute. I'm going to spin it again and look between the wheel and the back edge of the jig here. I'm going to try and get another video in of what it was like at the very beginning to remind you, but here, let's get some movement on it. The radial run out before was just unreal. That is amazing compared with what it was. And in terms of it, this isn't very good, but it's running pretty good. And if you listen to the spokes, I know you get a bit of that xylophone. But the point is, they're pretty similar on both sides, and the average, frankly speaking, I videoed this as well before I started. I'm really happy with the job, but the only proof is going to be getting it on the bike and getting out there and seeing what's happened. If I've made any changes, because it's been a lot of effort if there's no change, but I'm optimistic. It's looking good. Wish me luck.